Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Siti Khadija binti Johan with matrix number BB21110526. Today, I would like to present an article review which is the ethical practice disclosure of Malaysia public listed companies. This article discusses an examination of corporate disclosure related to ethical practice in 1,115 companies in Malaysia, with 5 years observation from 2012 to 2016. Due to the unethical activities that experienced by a lot of companies, this article can be a guide to prevent misconduct ethics in the company. 6 themes in this article, which is Code of Ethics, Ethic Committee, Corporate Value Ethic, Sustainability Practice, Whistleblowing Policy, and Action to Promote Ethics. This business practice is important to company to build stronger business ethic in company. In methodology, 2 methods that Order uses is sample selection and ethical commitment index. Sample selection, or known as samplings, is selection subset of the populations of interest in research study. In this article, only 253 companies as a final sample that to be analyzed, while ethical commitment index uses as an effort to appraise the disclosure of ethics of firms' legal commitments on the basis of the company's code of ethics and accountability. I have summarized the 6 themes in this article. The highest percentage is corporate ethic value, which record 82.24%. The item in this company is committed towards the highest standards of business practice. However, the lowest percentage with 1.70% is ethic committee teams, which is the company as an independent ethics departments and officers. Due to the additional cost, most of the companies not have independent ethics of departments and officers. The critique that I found in this article is small sample of data. In this article, only 223 companies represented in this study has ethical commitment in year 2016. With only use a sample size of data, the others have limited reviews towards the company. Therefore, as a recommendations, I will suggest the author to using a wider sample size to provide more accurate result. Next, I would like to critique about the ethical components in this study, which is in this article, the author analyzed the ethic by using data and provide a number. In my opinions, analyze ethic in the form of numbers is inappropriate because an ethics itself related to behaviors and cannot be counted in the number. The author also used his resource to get the data information which only in annual report. As recommendations, I suggest future studies to explore more tools such as newspapers and blog that can be used to get information and could offer more detail on the ethical behaviors and engagements of organizations. In conclusion, the study in this article is really important because it not only shows how public listed companies are corrupted in terms of ethics, but also provide a guide and inspiration for future companies to identify and overcome unethical by various types of business practice. This article also shows to people the importance to have ethical practice in a company. This article is also a good example on how people have influence to other persons or people of the importance of ethics in business. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention.